I'm now going to show you one of my favourites. It's a motorbike, just one balloon required. It took me, I'd say about 50 attempts at making this. I went for a lot of balloons. I'm going to leave about 7 fingers uninflated. Okay, it's going to be frustrating, this one, but it's worth doing it again and again and again until you get it right. It's really worth it. Now for this, I'm going to do a 2-finger bubble and give it an ear twist. I'm then going to do a 3-finger bubble. I'm going to push that ear twist through, but not all the way through. So it's going to stay there. Now I'm going to do a 3-finger bubble, followed by another 2-finger bubble, and give that an ear twist. I'm now going to do a 3-finger bubble, followed by another 2-finger bubble that I did before, another 2-finger bubble, and I'm going to do a 3-finger bubble, and I'm going to lock twist it with a 3-finger bubble here. I'm then going to do a 3-finger bubble, followed by a 2-finger bubble, and give that an ear twist. I'm now going to do a 3-finger bubble, followed by a 2-finger bubble, and a 3-finger bubble for the back wheel. And I'm going to lock twist it. And then there may be some left over. So you just want to basically get rid of that. I just use my finger and then I wrap that part of the balloon that's left. And I hide it behind the ear twist. Just make sure you wrap it the right way round, because if you wrap it the wrong way round, like I'm doing it this way, it will unravel. It will just, you'll end up, the balloon will just go like that. And there you have a 1-balloon motorbike. It may take you a lot of time to practice that one. Thank you for watching.